So these bolts on there, ones up here, when you want to get to these, you're gonna have to release the parking brake in order for you to twist this, and then you go ahead and turn it, bring the bolts to here, and then go ahead and put the parking brake again, and that will allow you to reach those bolts up here. So I have one more bolt right here, up here. You can see that. All the way up there. In there. So, like I was saying, in order for me to get to that bolt, I'm gonna go ahead, release the parking brake, and that'll allow me to go ahead and rotate this. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that. So before removing the last bolt on that end, what I'm going to do is remove this bracket. So that, you see it? That's going to be the bracket up here. See if I can get a good view. That's that one end, and this is the bracket I will be taking off. 2 bolts. One here, and another one here. So I removed that one already. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and hit this off. So I removed the bolts, but as you can see, there's still another bolt. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that one now. So I went ahead and removed the bolt, the nut on that side. Now I need to remove the one on this side. So remove the one from this side. Now I just need the one on that side. That one. Go ahead and remove that. Then you can go ahead and do that from under here as well. And I have to hold the top nut while you loosen the bottom nut. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll show you guys when I'm done. So I removed both bolts. Now this will allow me to move this bracket. So to remove that bolt that I was telling you that was hard to get to, and go ahead and release the parking brake. Okay. So releasing the parking brake will allow me to get to that bolt right there. Go ahead and turn this. Now we'll go ahead and put the parking brake back on. Now with the parking brake engaged, it won't turn. Okay, so I went ahead and I removed that last bolt, which was on here. Removing that bolt allowed me to go ahead and drop this piece here. If you can see there, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that side out right now. You'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll show you a video after I'm done. So go ahead and remove it. That side over there. Now since I went ahead and dropped this side over here, see if you can get a good picture of this side I'm holding. It's right in there. So now that's loose. Remove the bracket that was holding the middle, and now this will allow me to just go ahead and pull it on out. So you see that up there? I'll just pull it on out. See how it comes on out all the way out. So I'm gonna do that. Just gonna wanna cover that shiny side up so no debris and dust get in there. You don't want that. Just like that.